Okay, so we're here on Poshmark and how you will find this on your PC, and it will be available on the app Monday. Okay, so I'm up here and I'm going to go to my closet. And then the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the side. I'm over here and I'm going to come down and filter to just available items because I don't want it to share any of my sold. I'm sorry, my internet is very slow, so therefore, that's why it's doing that. Okay, so the next step you're going to do after it comes up is click off Adidas. I must have clicked on that on accident. Okay, so now we're going to have our whole closet come up here in just a minute. I just redone my Alfred Dunner pants, some of the ones I have left. So anyway, so we go to over here to this toolbar. So you're going to hit the toolbar and you're going to hit share to followers. Okay, you're going to hit select all. And you're going to think, oh, you can only share 48. No. So unfortunately, one thing you do have to do, and on the phone, this will be much easier. You do have to keep scrolling. I do believe this is very similar to how the bots share. I know that I had Prime Lister at one point. I was going to use it for cross posting certain items to Facebook, actually. I was going to see if Facebook worked better on Prime Lister. But in any case, they had this tool and you had to scroll just like this. So you notice how I'm not going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll notice how it's adding as I scroll, right? And it's not going to share any of my solds because I clicked off of that. So the next thing you have to do is just hit share followers. And that's it. Now, this is going to be available on the app on Monday. This is a good thing, and you do need to stay nearby. It does have captchas, especially if you've been using a bot. You might see more than what the average bear has, so get prepared for that. That's a little bit of the glitch about it. It's not going to solve that for you, but this could possibly help Poshmark. So if you want Poshmark to help us, consider helping Poshmark. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use only this feature for 1 week and see if my sales go down, they stay the same, or if they go up. Because in my opinion, if you manually share before even any bot tools, if you manually share your closet, it actually gets more activity. So that's if you, before, we had bulk share where we still had to just click each photo. That to me gives you less activity. So I'm going to see how it does, and I'm going to report back to you guys next week. So follow me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram as LA Thrift Junkie, and I will let you know what my results were.